Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry for beginners. First, gather your ingredients. You'll want a good mix of fresh vegetables like crisp bell peppers and tender broccoli, along with your favorite protein. Chicken, beef, or even tofu work wonderfully. Don't forget to prepare a flavorful sauce using staples like soy sauce, fresh ginger, and minced garlic. This initial step sets the stage for a delicious and quick meal. Proper preparation is key for a successful stir-fry. Make sure to cut all your vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces, roughly 1 inch in size so they cook evenly. Slice your protein thinly, about 1/4 of an inch, to ensure it cooks quickly and thoroughly. Also, have your sauce pre-mixed and ready to go. This mise-en-place approach makes the actual cooking process much smoother and faster. Now for the fun part, cooking. Heat your wok or a large skillet over high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add a tablespoon or 2 of high smoke point oil, then cook your protein until it's almost done, about 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the protein, then stir-fry your vegetables in batches. This prevents overcrowding and ensures they stay crisp tender, not soggy. Cook for 2 to 4 minutes per batch. Finally, bring everything together. Return your cooked protein and vegetables to the wok. Pour in your premixed sauce and toss everything vigorously for about 1 to 2 minutes until the sauce thickens and coats all the ingredients beautifully. Serve your delicious stir-fry immediately over rice or noodles. It's a quick, healthy, and incredibly satisfying meal. Also, for some great deals and that car air freshener link, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.